Either hydraulics or air. Can't tell this band, I don't see the pumps as yet, but still a 56.
The guy claimed it was worth $250,000, but he put a V8 in it, and I wonder where the gold was hit at. That's why it's worth.
Yeah, nice pickup. They're Deuce grill, so who knows what's in it, but we'll take a better look. Here comes a metal bodied 32-inch, running a flathead, followed by about a 29.5 window. We'll catch up with them. Alright, better look. They say it's carrying a Deuce grill. Well, let's go in. We can probably read the information from here. Yeah, saying it's a 31. Alright, let's go back out. And another coupe. Tom Benedict. Your style. Full fendered. I'm guessing a 30, 2930. We'll take a look. And back at the 31 pickup. Edelbrock. Sporting nice headers. Yeah, got them capped up. Open them up. Open them up. Alright, let's take a look inside. Yeah, we got sun tag. Nice interior. Nice Indian blanket door panels. Cool. Alright, now looking at the 30. Late model steering column conversion. And let's take a look at the dash. Nice seat. Sized right. That is all fat matted all around. Okay, let's back out. Alright, back in the 30. Looking, got a custom intake manifold. One time you see a flathead running a Holly. You didn't see that too often. Alternator. I'm trying to read the name on a head. Got Mercury heads on it. At least. Nice set of pipes. Looks like sporting 57 Olds Fiesta hubcaps. Nice chrome grill. And right now it's running primer, which I have no problem with. Alright, we're back over at this. I'm presuming this is going to be a 32. That's 30 also. Nice set of wheels. These two come in together, so it could be husband and wife, I would guess. And we'll go take a look at this really cool roadster. Alright. Again, we're up here on flathead, looks to be all metal. Some would call it a rat rod. I don't know, still a hot rod to me. Nothing really ratty about it. I want to show you these pipes. Looks like got some homemade pipes, but check the cutout. It's just before the muffler where you can open them up and make some noise. Never seen that before. And is that an old set of tires? I don't. Yeah. And he's actually painted the tires white walls himself with white paint. Very presentable. I like it. There's the inside of the Roadster. And as you could figure, aftermarket directional thing. Switching. Nostalgic. And actually carrying some original speedometer. And oop, don't pull a pin. Don't pull a pin. Put it back. Put it back. I'm out of here. Alright, here's a nice two-door sedan. Chop top, full fendered. Nice set of wheels on it. We're talking money. That money car. What the hell? Well, let's go take a look. And yeah, nice interior. Nicely done. Nicely done. Full set of gauges. Pristine body. I don't know if it's glass or metal. It's hard to tell at this point. I ain't about to chip it to find out. But on a small block. It's nice. Here's another. This is a 32 pickup. Sans fenders. Nice wheel and rim combination. Hell of a paint job on this thing. Yeah, got about a foot deep black paint on it. Really nice. Really clean car. Nice louvered side panels. Back over. Nice chromed up flathead. Looking good. Let's go and take a look. And let's see what kind of head sills are, but that's in the meantime. I like the wheel tire combination. Nice clean car. Yeah. I think I got room in my garage. Alright, back up. Dual carb, strong rotors. And wind. Heads, high compression heads, I would presume. Again, done very nicely. Alright, that's the nice 55 two-door. Let's go and take a look. Looking good. Nice small block. Running a Damon. Probably a Street Damon 750. Nice. Nice paint, nice clean. Let's take a look inside. Okay. Automatic. Nice steering column. Alright. Alright, here's a nice Sun Valley Mercury. Really nice. Looks like it's got full restoration. And it gets its name because of that factory translucent roof. Nice. Let's go take a look. And again, Sun Valley. Nicely accessorized, and what makes it right there, that factory OEM sunroof. Henceforth the name Sun Valley. And factory Continental kit carrying. Nice interior. Let's take a look. It's a 54, by the way. And those are unique controls. Check that out. Alright. Nice interior. I'll tell you what. They don't make the quality materials today when they do it. Just did my Nova, reupholstered it, and actually I think the material's crap today, but alright. Alright. Corvette lovers. Nice looks to be a 59 Corvette. Nice white. All stock. Who can't love the grill on these 50 Corvettes? Interior, nicely done. Nice, I don't know what you call it. Baby blue? Who knows? Factory 4-speed. Equipped. Alright. Yeah, nice Camaro. Let's go take a look. Run blower.
Boogie, 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 boogie.